Are you struggling to juggle all your responsibilities and stay focused on your vision? Are you ready to elevate your business to the next level or make $1 million but feel overwhelmed by the chaos around you? How can you stay organized but avoid burnout when so much is happening? In this video, I will share my 3-step focused vision strategy with you. This powerful strategy is designed to guide you towards the realization of your deepest desires. Whether you aspire to become a millionaire or are already on your way there, this strategy is tailored to elevate your success. By following these 3 steps, you can accelerate your progress and push your achievements to new heights. Watch the video until the end to discover how this strategy can propel you towards your desired outcomes. Let's begin. Your impact and significance diminish when you fail to prioritize what truly matters. When you do the things that don't matter, you will not matter. And to matter, do the things that matter. Eliminating distractions and concentrating on the essential elements is crucial. Developing a focused vision involves pinpointing the key tasks that drive the achievement of your objectives. If you are juggling too many responsibilities, your productivity will suffer. Simplifying and optimizing processes is essential for enhancing the pace of your advancement towards success. Before going any further, I want you to take a moment to find a quiet space and grab a paper and pen, as you will want to make some notes. Start by contemplating the vision you have for your career or business. Picture what success means to you personally. After visualizing your vision, begin the first step of the 3-step focused vision strategy. The first step is called pinpointing the 3 key tasks. To do that, think about the specific activities you will need to undertake to bring the vision to life. Write down all the activities that come to mind and are important to you. Then narrow down the list to the 3 most critical activities that you can directly control and that are crucial to realizing your vision. For instance, my vision is to create a world where individuals experience true freedom, autonomy, vitality, and meaningful relationships through self-reliance and goal achievement. I aim to empower over 10 million people by providing alternative education that emphasizes essential life skills such as relationship building, business acumen, self-mastery, and emotional intelligence. In doing so, I am committed to upholding the values of self-respect, financial freedom, and equality for all. In order to bring this vision to fruition, there are numerous essential activities that need to be accomplished. These include organizing and hosting seminars and workshops, developing online content, creating educational courses, producing and editing videos and podcasts, networking with individuals, conducting research, securing venues, negotiating with various stakeholders, and obtaining necessary permissions from relevant authorities. Out of these essential activities, I have identified 3 most critical ones that fall directly within my control. These activities are leading seminars or creating videos, handling marketing efforts, and conducting thorough research. When you have identified the 3 critical key activities, go to step 2. Step 2 is to list down the activities that are essential and cannot be ignored. Before I share these activities with you, it's important to understand that your mindset, goals, and body are all interconnected. It is the mind that sets the goals, and it is the body that takes action on it. Therefore, taking care of your mind and body is crucial to achieve a vision. Write down activities that will help you take care of your mind and body. These activities can include going to the gym, swimming, walking or jogging, eating healthy, and getting 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. Activities for the mind could include practicing mindfulness or meditation, Before we proceed to the third and final step of the strategy, I want to emphasize that I have developed the Hatch method, which can effectively transform negative emotions into powerful mental states, enabling you to gain emotional wisdom. I am currently providing this course free of charge. Simply click the link in the description to access the course. Now let's move on to the third step. The third step is called using the 80-20 principle to schedule your day. Let me explain how to do this. There are 24 hours in a day. Dedicate 8 hours to sleep, leaving you with 16 hours. Allocate 5 hours for personal well being, hygiene, meals, entertainment, and family time, which leaves you with 11 hours. If you allocate 80%, approximately 9 hours of this time, to your three key activities, you will have 2 hours left for other tasks. For example, my key activities are marketing, research, and conducting seminars or creating content. I plan to spend 9 hours each day from Monday to Saturday focusing on marketing, conducting research, and creating content or leading seminars. This forms a triangle of activities, ensuring that I am always engaged in one of the key tasks: marketing, research, or content creation. Remember, the key to success is laser focused dedication to what truly matters and investing your time in activities that drive your vision forward. With the implementation of the three-step focused vision strategy, you will significantly boost your productivity and make substantial progress towards your goals. If you found this video useful and valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Also, don't miss out on the opportunity to access my free Hatch Method course by clicking the link in the description. This course is designed to empower you to transform negative emotions into powerful mental states. Stay focused, stay committed, and relentlessly pursue your vision. Until next time, keep pushing towards your dreams and take charge.